Instant Page Builder Shopify tutorial and review. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to review the Instant Page Builder on Shopify and show you how to use it. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Shopify, you could also use my affiliate link below the description to earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Shopify, it is a comprehensive e-commerce platform designed to facilitate online and in-person sales for businesses of all sizes, from individual entrepreneurs to large corporations, in which Shopify provides users with an array of tools to create and manage their online stores efficiently. So now to create an account, you could also click the link in the description, in which by clicking on it or after signing in, you will be able to be directed on this page or on the homepage of Shopify in here. And now to start installing the application of the Instant Page Builder, all you need to do is to simply go on the left side panel and kindly proceed by clicking Add Apps button, and in this pop-up window, just scroll down and click the Shopify App Store button right here. And by clicking on it, you will be able to be directed on this page. And from here, it will show you a variety of applications to choose from, but just proceed by going to the search bar in here and kindly search this Instant Page Builder in here, in which upon searching on it, you will be able to see here all of the result of the application with this kind of name in here. And below, just simply click this one, which is Instant Section and Page Builder. Upon clicking on it, it will show us in here the overview about this application, including the feature it offers. And if you scroll down right here, it will show you the pricing plan it also offers. But just click the install button in here to install for free. And by clicking on it, you will automatically be directed on this page. And from here, just proceed by clicking the install button once again. And after that, all you need to do is to wait for it to load. Then you will be directed in here where you can start filling out the required information to sign up, including your name, email, or you could also continue using your Google account in here. And after signing in, you will now be able to be directed on this page, and it will show you on this pop-up window right here that you need to firstly fill out the required information, including how did you hear about us. After that, just click the next step button to proceed to the project section in here, where you can start naming or entering here the title and also choose the industry you're in and click create project button. Now under this connect section, you'd also start connecting your Shopify in here to import some of the brand styles. But to do that, just click connect with Shopify button right here, in which it will automatically connect our Shopify store with this application in here. Now under this product section, the next thing that you need to do is to simply choose or select your product that you create and click the next step button below here. And after that, all you need to do is wait for it to load, where you will be able to be directed on this page where you can start customizing these pages or this page builder. And it will show you on the left side panel some of the options that you can start navigating or the editing tools, such as to choose a templates, navigate the element section, and also you can navigate here this pages or layer section, the pages section in here to choose either blog posts or project templates. And by clicking this icon, you could also see here all of the components it contains. And you could also navigate to access these brand styles, such as to choose the color styles, the color of the text in here, and many more. And even you can apply or upload here a file from your computer under this assets section. While by clicking the plus button, you could also choose here the template, such as for landing pages, product pages, and other elements in here such as layouts for basic, Shopify, or advanced section. And now after waiting, it will show you in here that you need to choose either to choose a template or build from scratch. And in those options, I'm going to choose the template. And from here, it will show you the library of the template to choose from, such as with different kind of pages, section, product, blog. But for instance, I'm going to choose the kind of pages or section in here that are aligned on the product that I have. For example, these shoes right here, by clicking this plus button to add the section in our pages or website in here, it will show you upon closing this icon that the section is now currently added. You could also add a layout, choose a different kind of elements, and many more. But let's say we're going to click again this template section, and at this point I'm going to choose or add another pages or section in here. We can simply drag it on this page to add it, and it will show in here the effect or the changes. While on the right side panel, you could also start customizing, including the style of it, the interactions, and the settings section. From here, it will show you how you can do it using the drag and drop interface. So this is basically what it looks like if you click the preview button, and if you're now done, just click the publish button on the top right corner, in which by clicking on it, it will show you on this pop-up window this option, but just click enable in Shopify, then you will automatically be directed on this page of Shopify in here. And on this page, on the left side panel under this app embeds, make sure to turn on this one. And after that, just click the save button on the top right corner to save the changes. And by doing so, you will now be able to see here that it is now currently enabled in your Shopify store. Now going back in here, just click verify and publish button on this pop-up window. And after that, you'll now be able to see here that this section has now been published. So basically, this application is designed for merchants by simplifying the creation of custom landing pages and sections within their online stores. So overall, that is just basically how you can use this instant page builder on Shopify. Thank you.